In this video, I'm going to show you 5 hacks for FL Studio 20 that will help speed up your workflow and step up your production game. What's up guys, another monster here, anothermonsterproductions.com. And as always, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So hack number 1 is going to be converting MIDI to audio. And it's really easy to do in FL Studio 20. Basically, you'll notice here on your playlist that we have these options to switch between MIDI, audio, and automation. So if we go to our MIDI, you'll see the different patterns we have here. I don't have them named, they're just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You'll notice this is our pattern 7. So if you right click it, you'll see quick render as audio clip or render as audio clip. And you can choose either one of these options. Basically, if you click render as audio clip, this will pop up and you'll be able to actually adjust the settings and make sure that you're exporting it in the way that you want it to or bouncing it down. All these settings are correct. So you would just hit start, or you could right click it and just do quick render, which is just going to automatically render it right away. You don't have to even look at that thing. So then once it's finished, we go in here. Now we're in our audio and it's pattern 7. So then you just drag it onto the playlist, make sure you get rid of your MIDI right there, and now we can take a listen. Okay, so hack number 2 is going to be a workflow hack, and in this one I'm going to show you how to quickly navigate on these buttons up here. And if you notice, when you hover over them, a different F key is assigned to each one of these. You can see it right here. And basically what we're going to do is F5, that's the playlist, F6, channel rack, F7, piano roll, F8, this opens our plugin picker, and then F9 is going to be our mixer. So, and you can just click that once, click it again to get rid of it, and that's going to make your workflow a lot quicker. Also, you'll notice that in all of these, there's generally either an F key or some sort of shortcut shown. So if you really want to get in and figure out all your shortcuts, just navigate through FL Studio and you can figure out all those. Hack number 3 is going to be doing some cool stuff with LFO. And in this instance, how we're going to do this is we have a synth. Let's go ahead and take a listen. This is especially a useful technique for future bass, but what we're going to do is we want our fruity balance, and then we're just going to link this to a controller. So let's go ahead and find fruity peak controller. We'll bring the volume all the way up, and this is going to give us some LFO here, as you can see. And then we're just going to link this to the LFO. So link to controller, click LFO here, and then accept. And then you can see the volume going up and down. So as we listen, we can change the speed, and that will give us a cool effect. Okay, hack number 4 is going to be splitting one pattern into multiple patterns. And what I mean by this is, let's say you're making a beat in your channel rack. So for this, I'm just going to make something very simple here. Let's go ahead and take a listen while we're editing it. Add some hi-hats. And the cool thing about this is you can do this with as many layers as you want. So in this, we have our little simple beat. Once you have it the way you like it, go ahead and put it in the playlist here. But the problem with this is now we have our beat, but it's all on one pattern and we want to split it out. So how we do this is we right click on pattern, go ahead to here where it says split by channel, click that, and now we have all of our channels split into separate patterns, and it labels it, which is pretty cool. Hack number 5, create slidey notes on chords. And let's take a listen, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So we have 2 notes, and we want this chord to slide up into the next one. So how we do this is we extend this part here. Let's get rid of these notes here. We click this button here, which is our slide. And then we'll add it here. And let's take a listen. But see, the problem is it's sliding both notes up 1 semitone, and this bottom note here needed to go up 2 semitones. So how we get around this is, let's delete this note and left click here and just pick a different color. And now we need it up 2 semitones. Let's get rid of that. Extend that. So let's take a listen. So that's how you do the slidey thing with chords. That's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please go ahead, hit that like button. If you have your own hacks, tips, tricks, whatever, leave that in a comment down below. I want to hear what you have to offer. Also, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really would mean a lot to me. My goal is to grow this channel and also help you as a producer grow as well. And so I'm going to be releasing tutorial videos just like this one every Thursday at around 12 p.m. Eastern time zone. So if you liked this video, consider subscribing, hit that bell notification, and it'll let you know next time I release another video like this. Also, real quick, guys, I'm going to put a free link in the description of this video for a sample pack and a free ebook, which the sample pack is basically an accumulation of like 400 plus drum samples, effects, everything that you could possibly need. And it's not just like throwaway samples either. This is all like top high quality, my best samples that I constantly use in my productions, which I handpicked and put in a pack. So check that out, free download. Also, this ebook is something that I just finished writing a few weeks ago. And it's basically, if you're struggling at all with your productions or your mixes, maybe you have a thin mix or a muddy mix, whatever the case may be, check out that ebook. I think that's going to help you out a lot with your productions. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.